Alright. Before you guys freaking watch this cringe Q&A that I did, that I worked so hard on, I need to stop and let you know that my new single, BTW, is out. And I'm so excited, and it's for Pride Month, and I know Pride Month's already over, but I will always be proud. But this song I really like. I don't know. Go check it out. It's on all platforms. It's been playing behind me this whole time, and if you're into it, you know,
you can check it out.
What? Oh, shit. Y'all are here for the Q&A, aren't you? Oh, yeah, this is the video I'm doing.
I'm literally so stupid.
What's my body count?
What's my body count? 1.
I'm so confused. What's your body count? 1. It's just me. The next type of question that I got is, what kind of animal would I like to have? And honestly,
I got no idea.
what kind of animal I would like to have? It really doesn't. I get stuck on this question all the time. I don't even like know, man. Like, dog, cat, maybe a squirrel. There's some people with like raccoons and shit. I might do a raccoon. A raccoon would be cool, but like, oof. I don't know, honestly. I'm gonna have to sit and think about it. Maybe like a
Turtle or something?
like that would be cool to have.
Hi.
What is the most
Illegal thing that I have ever done. Go on DisneyChannel.com without my parents' permission.
I gotta be completely honest with you. I'm stumped on this question. Have you ever eaten a sock before? What kind of question is that? Would I eat a dog or a cat? What kind of freaking question is that, you weirdos? I like that y'all are weird though. Thank you for subscribing. I don't know. Would I rather eat a dog or a cat? Probably some chicken. Who is my celebrity crush? I don't know. Okay, this is kind of embarrassing. I kind of like, my celebrity crush is this bitch right here. Oof. When did you lose your V card?
Is everybody supposed to have a V card? What's a V card?
What's a V card? I don't have a V card.
And my Cash App card.
I guess right now I lost my V card, so I don't have it. I didn't even know that you were supposed to have one. This question, I want it to be a little bit more personal because I just really like this question. Have you ever embarrassed yourself? You know what?
No.
How old are you? Ow, fuck. How old am I? Old enough! I'm so stupid and I freaking burned my thighs.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
I'm 23. We're about to do a freaking speed round. Are you ready? No, because I'm not. What genre of TV shows do you enjoy watching?
All of them.
This isn't a question, but I love you.
Bro.
What's your zodiac sign? Taurus. What's your favorite color?
All of them.
Blah, 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 blah.
What's the
Worst situation you've ever been in?
All of them.
What's your favorite food? Anything gluten-free. How old are you? 23. Do you have any siblings? Yeah, brother. Blah, blah, blah. My birthday's April 27th. How old is your cat? Oliver is 1, Oakley is 1, and Oreo is 2. Bam, bitch! First Q&A done with. I gotta take this shit off.
is, bro? I'm not in the mood to wear makeup. I'm not in that journey right now.
Not feeling it. But while I take this off, I just wanted to thank you guys. Like, I mean, we're on the road to 10K. That's lit. I worked really hard on this video, obviously. I don't know. You guys mean the world to me. And I can literally get on this platform and do what I just did and be weird as hell. And y'all will just love it. And that's amazing. Please go check out my song, BTW. It's a great song for Pride Month if you are into the whole gay scene. It's just a fun song, but I don't know. I honestly had such a good time doing it. Bitch, this shit won't be on my face. I dyed my face, y'all. I love you. Ew. Bye. Box, like what the heck? Who wants to clean someone's poop like that? Like, I'm good. Like, this is the question y'all have all been waiting for, and honestly, either I can do one of two things. I cannot tell you, or I could tell you. I don't know. How did Dang Skull and I meet? Well, once upon a time, she walked in, I met her, and she met me. And we've been together ever since. So that's basically how we met. But if you really want to know how we met, we just looked at each other and we met. And we met. That's how we met. Wow, the thunder just of our love. But we met. We just met, you know. I love meeting her. We just met. And now it's forever. So... this isn't a question, but hi. But hi.